name is Katie, and today I'm going to take you over my mom's channel. Let's get started. So today we have this table and 2 lamps. And to this table, I'll be adding this large basket tray in the middle of the center. Done. And here I have a lantern, and I'm going to put it in the center of the hook. And lanterns are a fun accessory to use in the summer. It's done. And hats are a fun way to decorate with in the summer too. And I'm going to place it on this hook. Done. And next I have a candle holder and a wicker ball, and I'm going to place it on the side. Right there. It's done. And next up I have the letter R for our last name. I'm going to place it in the center. It's done. And next up I have this summer seahorse, so I'm going to put it right next to the R right there. And done. And my mom doesn't like having the thermostat right there, so we're going to try to cover it with the wreath. Done. Okay, so this completes our summer look on this wall. I hope you liked it. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Up next, we're going to do a centerpiece project for the table. My mom picked up this bowl from Ross for $15.99. Up next, my mom got this glass container she got from Ross for $6.99, and we're going to clean it with Sprayway. And Sprayway makes everything shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it. And it is all done. And next up we have a bag of sand from Walmart. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the sand into the glass container. Should I pour it in? Oh. And if you want to get the sand looking even, then you just got to give it a good shake. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a light sand on top of it. And now I'm going to pour the light sand on top of the dark sand. And then I'm just going to shake it. Done. And next up, I'm going to put this candle and just like kind of like smush it in. Oh, and this is a pretty coastal candle, and it matches my plate. And up next, I have a bag of seashells I'm going to put around the candle so it matches with the beach bowl. candle right in the middle of the bowl, and now you got a beautiful centerpiece. watching. Bye.